everyone, this is Richa with Outline Media और एक बार फिर मैं आपके सामने आ गई हूँ बहुत ही एक्साइटिंग नई खबरें लेकर के। जी हाँ, एक्साइटमेंट क्या है, जनवरी के ठंडे महीने में हमारे पास एक बहुत ही हॉट एंड हैपनिंग इवेंट टेक प्लेस कर रहा है एट द मैट्रिक्स क्लब और इसके पीछे जिनका हाथ है आज हम सबको एक इकट्ठा करने में इतनी बड़ी गैदरिंग हुई है, अबाउट 600-700 पीपल हम सबको एक साथ लाने में आए हैं। हमारे सामने चेयरमैन एफआईए सुनील शाह जी, who's been a great community leader for past several decades here in Chicagoland, and welcome Sunil ji. What are your thoughts today and how are you feeling after all this work to put this event together?
सबसे पहले शुक्रिया रिचा, and I would like to thank Outline Media, Harry Sidhu and his team for doing an outstanding job in promoting our event, and also he being our FI Executive Board member. It's a great feeling celebrating this awesome event. I would say rather auspicious event at the Matrix Club by our association FIA Chicago, celebrating our country's 75th Republic Day, and so beautifully it coincides with our Ram Bhumi, like Ram Mandir in Ayodhya. After 500 years, we got to see the glimpse of Ramji in that mandir, and so it was a truly momentous and joyous occasion for all the Indians all over the nation. Seeing the inauguration of this beautiful temple by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. With that said, today we are celebrating Republic Day. We are giving a tribute to our martyrs. We are saluting the martyrs, and because of them today we are able to have this seeing this day, beautiful day. And our FI has been doing phenomenal job. I agree with you. And it's been like consistently we've been celebrating Republic Day since last 15 years. So it's a moment of pride for us. And another moment of pride for us is last 4 to 5 years we have been doing scholarship drive.
Absolutely.
And today we are giving scholarship to about 6 students, and that's a very gratifying moment that we are being able to give to the community. So today we will be doing that, honoring those students, and I'll also take the opportunity of thanking all our supporters, our sponsors, our entire executive board team, our directors, our advisory, those who are the backbone of our association. And because of them, we are able to do this such a wonderful event of such a great magnitude.
Thank you so much, Sunil ji. I know you've been, months and weeks and I guess almost half a year, or I guess less than that, but you've been tirelessly working hard to bring this event to us. And for, places like Chicago, where we have so many Indian people living, this is an absolute pleasure that we are also celebrating 100th anniversary for Rafi Sahab, and you are bringing it for the first time.
Very well said. Rafi Sahab is someone who we grew up listening to, dancing to, and I would say he's one of my favorite, the great legendary singer. And today we are so fortunate that his son Shahid Rafi, he's coming along with the great orchestra. Some of them are Saregama singers. So we are looking forward to witness this beautiful and musical and mesmerizing moments by them.
So जो लोग FIA ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं, वैसे हम लोगों की टीम काफ़ी बड़ी है, आप क्या कहना चाहते हैं और क्या एक मैसेज एक हमारी जो एक इंडियन कम्युनिटी है at large, who's going to witness this beautiful event, what is your message, what are your thoughts that you want to share with them?
Today I would say our association is truly uniquely structured. Like we have about 150 plus members. I would say it's the biggest membership wise, the biggest association in the United States. And we would welcome those who like to join our FIA, those who have talent, those who have a feeling of giving something back to the community. We would like to welcome those kind of members.
I know you are an incredibly busy man today, Chairman Shah, but we can't do it without you. And I just admire, that even though it's going crazy around you, you were able to have such good thoughts that we can share with our Outland viewers. So thank you so much for stopping by, and wish you all the best, and wish our team FIA all the best for this event.
Thank you, Richard.
मेरे साथ है बहुत ही हिप एंड हैपनिंग प्लेस की आज जो मेन इवेंट ऑर्गेनाइजर है विनीता जी। और विनीता जी के बारे में हम खुद उनसे जानते हैं। वेलकम विनीता जी।
Thank you, Richa, and thank you, Outland Media, for honoring me and ask me what you want to ask. I'll answer.
सो आज हम सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं इंडिया का 75th रिपब्लिक डे। जी हाँ, सारे देशवासियों को गणतंत्र दिवस की बहुत बहुत ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। और इसी खुशी को बांटने के लिए आ गए हमारे साथ टीम FIA मोहम्मद रफ़ी जी को साथ में लेकर के। सो आप बताइए विनीता जी कि कैसे आप लोगों ने ये प्रोग्राम के बारे में अरेंज, मतलब हाँ, कैसे सोचा कि मोहम्मद रफ़ी और रिपब्लिक डे।
Richa, we all live so far from our country. So, being FIA, I think it is our duty to bring our community that feeling that we are still in India. So, we just try to bring India closer to our community people so they don't miss India. Here, we are making an atmosphere so that we all still remember how patriotic feelings in every heart is, and you can see how much crowd, right? Because everybody is feeling so happy about it. They are celebrating our Republic Day. I'm so overwhelmed. And today we have from India, from all the way from India, Rafi Saab's son and his grandson. All are here with a big team, and they're a dream team. They are all going to sing lovely songs. Don't miss the night.
Yes, so let me tell you folks that FIA के 2023 के एक चैप्टर में विनीता जी का बहुत ही बड़ा रोल है एज अ वुमन लीडर, एंड शी हैज़ बीन द फेस ऑफ वुमन एम्पावरमेंट फॉर FIA, एंड वी हैड अ वेरी सक्सेसफुल ईयर, and now we are transitioning to another great leader. So Vinita ji, what are your thoughts and what message do you want to give to team FIA?
The unity is strength. That's the logo, and that's what made the FIA so strong. And we have come to this level because we all played a good team. And that's how you want to stay, and how our new president will be coming, Pratibha Jairat, plays same way. So we will go further heights.
Thank you, Vinita ji, for stopping by and talking to Outland Media. We've had a great year under your leadership, and congratulations once again for this great event. Happy Republic Day, Indians and Deshwasis. Thank you. साथ हैं हमारे भारतवर्ष के ऑनरेबल श्री CG कौंसल जनरल ऑफ इंडिया शिकागो के सोमनाथ घोष साहब, एंड नमस्कार। एंड बहुत बहुत आपको हमारी ओर से शुभकामनाएं, क्योंकि इंडिया की जो प्रोग्रेस आजकल हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर एज NRI कम्युनिटी, वी आर सो इम्प्रेस्ड। अभी एक नया प्राण प्रतिष्ठा का एक आया है, और एक इंडिया की एक जो प्रेजेंस है ओवरऑल, और आपकी लीडरशिप भी इसमें एक स्ट्रॉन्ग मैसेज देती है टू द एंटायर इंडियन कम्युनिटी व्हाट इंडिया इज ऑल अबाउट. So what message would you like to give us at this beautiful event? You know, we are celebrating 75th, Republic Day. Somnath ji, please share your message with us.
First of all, namaskar and congratulations on the 75th Republic Day of India. We have just celebrated 2 days ago. This is weekend. I know you have time on the weekend, and the best of the NRI community, the Indian diaspora, are present here. And I congratulate them. You are talking about leadership. It's not my leadership. It's your leadership, which is making us proud. India-USA relations have never been better. Our partnership is strongest today. Last year we saw exceptional development in the partnership. A lot of promises, a lot of bold decisions for the future to work together. And I'm sure this year will be even better. So, and in this, the diaspora, Indian diaspora, particularly in Greater Chicago, they're so close, so dear to me. You are like, now I'm more than a year here. You are like my friends and my close friends and my relations. So we are looking forward to working together, and this will be even greater year for us.
Thank you, Somnath ji, for such a heartwarming message for us as Team FIA and for all the Indian diaspora watching us, because ये एक क्या होता है कि हम लोग जब अपनी मिट्टी से दूर आते हैं तो हम उसे और भी ज्यादा मिस करते हैं. लाइक डिस्टेंस मेक्स द हार्ट्स ग्रो
आप
फॉन्डर.
बिल्कुल दूर नहीं है. आप ये सोचिए, यूएसए में भी लगभग 4.5 मिलियन 45 लाख से ज़्यादा इंडियन पासपोर्ट होल्डर और दो जो यहाँ अमेरिकन इंडियन अमेरिकन, they all are present. You are present everywhere in every city. You are doing so well. We have mandirs, we have masjids, we have churches, we have gurdwaras, we have everything everywhere in United States. You can get the Indian groceries here. You can perfectly live an Indian life, and Indian life which is contributing to Indian people who are contributing to the US life. So you are perfectly feeling poised to live in India while being in United States.
Thank you so much, Somnath Ghosh ji, for joining us today and sharing your beautiful message with all the Deshwasis celebrating India. And also celebrating India's Republic Day as well as Pran Pratishtha and very many accomplishments that India has achieved in the past few years. And as you said in one of your speeches, this is the start of the Amrit Kal. And you are right, we have...
We are progressing well in this Amrit Kal. Yes, all of us. And in this, your role, the diaspora's role is very, very critical.
Thank you so much, and I would like to, on behalf of Team FIA and Team Outland, I would like to thank for the incredible work that our CG office has done, along with Somnath Ghosh ji and the past CGs who have been here. Somnath ji के बारे में मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि he is a man of facts. He always brings, he lets us know statistics का क्या मतलब है. Whenever you bring those nice facts and figures, it's not just hot air when you're speaking about, oh, बहुत ही अच्छा था, एक imaginary, बहुत ही, fancy words में. नहीं, there are facts and figures to back up, the claims that we are making in terms of progresses. So thank you so much for whatever you are doing for us. All the visa processes, passport support, and जितने भी NRIs को कुछ issues आते हैं, CG office Chicago has always been very, very prompt and helpful to us. And as an Indian, we are so blessed to have you. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind. 75th Republic Day celebration चल रहा है at the Matrix Club, January 28th, and बहुत ही hip and happening लोगों से हम बात कर रहे हैं. बड़े बड़े stars आ रहे हैं और एक हमारे बहुत ही star community leader है Dr. Suresh Reddy. So welcome Suresh ji.
Thank you Ji, and I'm excited to be here in Chicago and in the Matrix Club. It's the first time happening in the 75th Republic Day celebrations, and India itself is a democratic republic, sovereign nation, and with the secular characteristics, the best secular country in the world. And we can see here, and it's more than ever, it's very important that we have these interfaith virtues, and India stands for secularism, and I'm very proud to celebrate the installation of the Constitution of India. Thank you, and wish all the Indians a happy Republic Day.
Thank you so much. And Dr. Suresh Reddy, you've been presiding on several prestigious big organizations here, including medical associations also. And so how do you think you are making a difference in our community?
Well, like doctors, I was the president of a National Indian Doctor Association called API, and also the Chicago Indian Physician Association. Every seventh patient in the United States is treated by an Indian physician. That's a proud moment for us, and physicians, especially Indian physicians in America, have done an amazing job, and doing service, charity, and in research and mentoring, and even in Chicago area, we have done an amazing job, and we have free clinics. Our charitable foundation runs free clinics in Chicago, and again, congratulations to all the Indians celebrating the Republic Day celebration.
Thank you so much, Dr. Suresh Reddy. And Dr. Suresh Reddy is a perfect example of individuals from India who are excelling in all the fields, not just his career in medical profession, but also community leadership, and as well as here the local politics as well, where he's been serving the board of trustees in village of Oakbrook, I believe.
Yes.
And
Thank you. And that's another, the Indians are making strides into the local politics and local government, because it's very important to be involved in the local government, and that's where most of the decisions are made. And I request all the Indians to get involved in school boards or forest reserves or their county boards, the village boards, and that is the backbone of the American Constitution and country.
Thank you so much, Suresh Reddy, doctor by profession, and what should I say, a great leader by heart. And we have to see other, talents that you have. We don't know, but I can say that it's been great with whatever organizations that we've interacted previously for your work.
Thank you so
And
much.
congratulations on your journey. Being a political leader as well as community leader, and helping all of us and giving us a platform to voice our concerns to the government. Thank you so much,
Thank
Dr.
you so
Suresh
much, and
Reddy.
thank you, Outline Media, and best wishes to all the Outline Media viewers.
थैंक यू सो मच। मेरे साथ है हमारे शिकागो लैंड की एक बहुत ही जानी मानी हस्ती पिंकी ठक्कर जी, और ये बहुत समय से शिकागो लैंड में एज अ कम्युनिटी लीडर, फिलैंथ्रोपिक लीडर के सामने की तरह उभर के आई हैं। ना सिर्फ ये, शी इज एन एस्टैब्लिश्ड बिजनेस वुमन ऑल्सो, और शी ऑलवेज बिलीव्स इन सपोर्टिंग द कम्युनिटी एंड स्प्रेडिंग हर पॉजिटिविटी। और आज वो यहाँ आई हुई हैं हमारे साथ FIA के फंक्शन में, 75th रिपब्लिक डे के जश्न में, और इट इज़ आवर प्लेजर टू टॉक टू यू। वेलकम पिंकी जी, एंड व्हाट वुड you like to say to our viewers?
Thank you so much, Richa ji and Sidhu ji, and happy Republic Day 25th, 75. Sorry for that. And founder president Sunil ji, Rita ji, all team, congratulations. एंड आज आपने शो बहुत अच्छा रखा है। मोहम्मद रफ़ी का मेरा फेवरेट है। मैं भी बम्बई की, वो भी बम्बई के। आज तो हम रॉक करने वाले हैं। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ऑलवेज लव रॉक FIA टीम, लवली पीपल, लवली परिवार। I love you guys, and FIA is my परिवार। Everyone, God bless you. Jai Hind. God bless USA. God bless everyone. Thank you. Thank you.
This is Richa again with Outlet Media and our favorite Dr. Dhingra.
I'm so glad to be here. Thank you so much.
Yes.
We are really enjoying the participation in the 75th Independence Day, and it's a great occasion with a lot of fun and celebrities and a lot of fun and celebrations. So we are so lucky, and this is the showcasing a great way of how we look at the Indians in our adopted land of United States. It's a great time to have the real feel of what we are now in America. Thank you so much.
जी, डॉक्टर ढींगरा को मैंने अभी कहा कि हमारे फेवरेट, आपको बता दें कि डॉक्टर ढींगरा, अगर आपको कहीं भी दर्द की शिकायत है या तकलीफ है तो वो आपकी मदद कर सकते हैं। डॉक्टर ढींगरा, आई वुड लाइक टू नो मोर अबाउट हाउ यू आर हेल्पिंग पीपल डील विद पेन एंड ऑल्सो our community here.
We are, I do as a pain management, holistic care, like a philanthropic kind of a clinic in Hinsdale. So we are dealing with the pain management with regard to the musculoskeletal conditions, providing the acupuncture and the other holistic means, and any kind of disc disease, cervical spondylitis, backache, scleroderma, or Parkinsonism, stroke, any arthritis, knee pain, hip pain, and headache and migraine. We are taking care of that, and we are helping the community, particularly the geriatric population, where they run out of the options. Short of that, they have a serious side effects. So I feel pleasure that I am part of their solution, and we are taking care of them on a regular basis in a more philanthropic and a low-cost clinic, and very affordable. I am so glad that you are asking me, and Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Thank you, Dr. Dhingra, for talking to us on this joyous and auspicious occasion of India's 75th Republic Day, being hosted by FIA Chicago at the Matrix Club, Naperville, January 28th, 2024. And Dr. Dhingra has been providing us all the good tips on Outland Media and Outland Media Marketing channel. So please do check it out. Thank you, Dr. Dhingra,
Thank
for
you very
talking to
much,
us. Thank you.
Outland Media, they are my great proponents. They are my friends. They are all helping me to achieve our mission of being part of the equation to help the people deal with these chronic diseases. And I am so glad to be here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dr. Dhingra, for talking to us. And this is Richa at the beautiful, the most upscale event venue. This is the Matrix Club, and we are celebrating India's 75th Republic Day. And also, we have Mohammad Rafi Sahab's 100th anniversary celebrations going to take place later on. So it's going to be a melodious journey. Come with Team FIA and celebrate India. Thank you.
Thank you so very much.
Good evening. We're here at Matrix and we're celebrating India's National Republic Day. I am here with pleasure of Anu Malhotra, who is the MC of the event.
Thank you. I am really excited to celebrate with all our countrymen here at the Matrix, India's 75th Republic Day. We have lined up beautiful program including speeches of dignitaries, national anthems, patriotic dances, and most importantly, we are going to end it with Rafi Saab's music by the team that has come all the way from Mumbai, India. So it is going to be a fun evening. And as you see, the room is getting filled with so many beautiful people in colorful costumes. So looking forward to this unforgettable evening.